okay. There are a couple design flaws that could have been avoided if this had actually been played with by, you know, children. The major one that we have issues with is actually this crane, which was the reason we got this set. As long as this is up and it doesn't have anything in it, you can drop the crane, crank it up, stuff like that. So this is dropping. But you can see, if you're trying to one-hand it, it's not gonna work super well. This needs some sort of locking mechanism, some way to latch it in, because if you do anything that just puts it out like that, you can see it already is trying to kick forward and off. You can see it's already lifting like almost more than a 1/4 inch. Even these empty, now you're supposed to be able to fill both this thing and this grabber with sand, right? If you attach it to this, magically, sorry guys, as long as this is upright, we're okay. We spin out and we're like, oh hey, let's grab something over here. It immediately just touches the ground. Even if you crank this up, I'm like bracing this with my hand, by the way. You let go, down it goes. So between that and like, I understand why this comes apart for storage purposes, but it doesn't. Here, it'll fix. Anyway, you're supposed to be able to like fill the wrecking ball so that way you can knock over the fun little sand bricks that you can make with the dump truck. This thing's not sturdy enough. We've tried packing all this sand around the base of this just to see, and it doesn't work. The size of the container, even with storage, should probably come with more sand. Understandably, it doesn't, because another fun design feature that failed. These clips pop off. Like, do not pass go. Any real weight on them, they just pop open. And they're not terribly difficult to get back in, but it's not great. We've only had this for literally like a day or so, and I've had to hunt them down several times. Last thing is that when you go to shut this, there are several natural like grip points that they made. Here, 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 and here, but there's no actual handle for, you know, 2-year-olds, 3-year-olds who love this stuff and are the ones who are playing with it. It's not a really great design setup. It needs more latches if the latches are going to be that weak. Like honestly, probably needs more, like 6 latches or like a big latch here and like 2 latches on either side. A true handle, like a suitcase, would be nice. This needs a latching mechanism to hold it in so you can actually use it the way most kids are going to, that I would imagine. Like, there's no way you're going to do their fun little video where you're turning and wrecking ball, all the stuff with weight in this, and being able to like crank it up how kids are going to imagine. So I had way higher hopes for this, and unfortunately just not well executed.
Let's do it that way. Let's do it that way. Let's do it that way.
What way?
That way. What way? What way? What way?
Wow. There.
And so.